If you are stuck and you're always getting zero views, zero watch hours, and hardly getting any subscribers on your YouTube channel, then that means that YouTube is limiting your YouTube channel because of four settings that you did incorrectly on that your channel, which is making it hard for the YouTube algorithm to actually push your videos or to find the right audience for your YouTube channel. Now, on this video, I'm going to expose those settings. So if you're a creator that is actually tired of getting low visibility, then this video is the correct video for you, because I'm going to break it down in a way that is going to be very simple for you to understand, so you can actually utilize it on your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is just stick to the end of this video, because I promise you it's going to be worth your time. Also, if you have any questions towards the ends of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section, because I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button to stay connected to my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, you might actually be making great videos on your channel, but if these settings are telling the algorithm to limit your reach, or rather to limit your visibility, then you will never get any video above 500 views on that your YouTube channel. The first settings killing your reach and visibility can actually be found in your YouTube Studio dashboard settings under the channel option. So once you've gotten here, all you have to do is just click on advanced settings. Now, once you get here, if you see that the made for kids option is actually turned on, then I'm sorry to say, but you have successfully killed your reach and also killed your visibility on that your YouTube channel. So make sure that you turn that off each and every single time, because you don't want YouTube to be pushing your videos to kids. What you actually want is that YouTube should push your video to a wider mature audience, because that's the only way your video is going to be able to perform correctly here on YouTube. Now, the only exception is when your video is totally made for kids alone. Now, that's the only situation where you need to turn that setting on. Setting 2 is the AI generated tag. Now, whenever you're uploading your video, always make sure to scroll below, like just keep scrolling to the bottom until you see the section for the AI generated videos. Now, once you've actually gotten here, make sure to click no on that your video, because once you do that, it's actually going to help your video to perform better. Now, these two settings that I've just mentioned can actually help to boost your visibility and boost your reach, but we are not going to stop there, because I have two more settings that I need to expose on this video that can actually help to boost your visibility on that your YouTube channel. There's another YouTube feature that a lot of creators are overlooking on YouTube, and this is the playlist. Now, you have to make sure that you are utilizing this and categorizing all your videos into different playlists, because this is actually going to help your viewers to bench watch a lot of your videos. And apart from that, when they are watching any of your video, they are going to see your other videos being recommended below that video and at the corner of that video as well. So that is another reason why you always have to make sure you are using playlists, because on YouTube, being able to turn one view into 2 to 3 views is the fastest way to get a lot of watch hours, and also is the fastest way to make a lot of money on your YouTube channel if you are monetized. Before I reveal the fourth setting, let me actually take some time to explain why this setting is super important. So let's take a situation that you have a viral video that have gotten up to 50,000 views, and that video is still trending and getting a lot of views every single day on YouTube. But you made a mistake on that video. You didn't recommend any other video at the end of the video. Now, what's going to happen is that when people are done watching this video, they are going to leave immediately because you didn't recommend any video. Now, the question is, how do you actually recommend other videos within your video, or rather at the end of your video? That brings us to end screen. Now, with the power of end screen, you'll be able to recommend other videos that you have on your channel at the end of your video, and this is super important. So you have to make sure that each and every video that you're uploading on your YouTube channel, you are using at least 2 to 3 end screen to recommend other of your videos. And also, you yourself will also tell your viewers that they should watch those other videos to learn more from your channel. This is super important, because once you keep doing this, you become able to move viewers, or rather move traffic, from one video that is going viral and doing well on your channel to other videos that are not doing well on your channel. And doing this will help people to also bench watch your videos, which is definitely going to lead to much more watch hours and also much more views spread around your channel. So make sure that you are utilizing this if you are not already utilizing it on your YouTube channel. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.